So once that you have added contacts onto your Zoom client, what you can do is you can chat with them as well. So on the chat box, you'll be able to see the list of people right over here. So I'm just going to select the TutorTube second account and I'm going to say hi right over here. So once I do that, the message has been sent to the other person, that is to my other account, and they'll be able to reply back over there and respond to you accordingly. You can also go over here and then reply to this particular message right over here, just like that, so that the message is linked out just like that. So that is something handy as well. You can go over here, you can reply to this particular message, of course, and you can go over here and then you can react to that particular message as well, just like that. You can also go over here and then you can unfollow the message or star the message, that is you can make it, you can favorite that out so that it's easier to access it later. And you can go over here and mark it as unread so that it shows up as a notification right over here. As you can see, you can even copy the message and paste it out over here just like that as well. So these are the chat options provided for you. Besides that, you have the screenshot option. So if you want to share a screenshot, you just click over here on the screenshot and then select a portion of the screen right over here as it minimizes. Then you can draw out just like that by using these kind of things. You can capture it out and then you can go over here. This is still the chat box area, so you have to select it out. You can see the cursor right here. So once you press enter, you can share the screenshot like this as well. So these are the options provided. Another option you have is to send an attachment as well. So you can go to file and you can select one of these cloud drives, or you can go to your computer and select a file that you want to send, open that out, and then the file is sent to the other person. So they'll be able to click this to view it out as well. Besides that, you have the emojis right here. So you can download emojis and then work around with your own emojis as well if you are into that thing. So over here on the right side, you can see that there's more info right over here. So you can see information about the files that you sent. So all of the files are over here. The images are here. You can see that profile information, the starred message, everything can be seen right here. You can also see the more option right over here. You can delete the contact, you can block the contact, or clear the chat history altogether so that you can everything is deleted, as you can see right over here. You can also notify when available. So whenever the person gets online, you'll be notified of it if you have been waiting to chat with that person for some reason. You can also invite other people onto the chat. So if you want like a group chat, if you have more people in there, then you can invite as well. And these are the chat options right over here. You can also go over here, you can open the chat box on a new window just like that, and it'll be opened up in the new window. So this can be used as any other chat clients that you might be used to, and you can see that there's a lot of options that you have to share files and collaborate by using Zoom Meeting. So that is how you can use chat and message feature inside of Zoom client. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.